Transforming your body composition is much more than simply a number on the scale. It's about establishing a harmonic balance between fat reduction and muscle building. This balance opens a world of advantages, from boosting metabolism and raising energy levels to enhancing cardiovascular health and lowering the risk of chronic illnesses. This video will lead you through the research-based fundamentals of altering your body composition. We'll go into the complexities of calorie control, the strength of resistance exercise, and the critical function of protein intake. By adopting a holistic strategy that incorporates both factors, you may accomplish sustained fat reduction while simultaneously increasing lean muscle mass. This change extends beyond cosmetics, empowering you with better strength, improved mobility, and a fresh feeling of vigor. Remember, the route to a healthy you starts with knowing the underlying concepts that regulate body composition. Let's go on this revolutionary journey together, prepared with information and motivated by the desire for a stronger, healthier, and more confident self. Unlocking the calorie equation, foiling fat reduction. At the core of fat reduction lies the notion of calorie balance. Consume fewer calories than you exert to reduce pounds. A calorie shortfall pushes your body to utilize fat reserves for energy. Avoid crash diets and excessive calorie restriction. These are unsustainable and may affect your health. Aim for a modest calorie deficit of roughly 500 calories each day. This assures fat reduction while keeping muscular mass. Understand the science behind fat reduction for sustained outcomes. Resistance training, molding your body via strength. While calorie management regulates fat reduction, resistance training takes center stage in creating lean muscle mass. Contrary to common opinion, lifting weights won't make you bulky. Instead, it helps create a toned and sculpted figure. Engaging in resistance training, whether with free weights machines or bodyweight exercises, boosts muscle protein synthesis, the process by which your body repairs and produces new muscle fibers. This process is vital for growing muscle growth, strength, and total metabolic rate. Incorporate a mix of complex workouts into your regimen, targeting many muscle groups simultaneously. Squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and rows are wonderful examples that work broad muscle groups, optimizing calorie expenditure and encouraging total muscle development. Remember, consistency is crucial. Aim for at least 2 to 3 weight training sessions each week, ensuring appropriate rest between exercises for muscle repair and development. With perseverance and a carefully planned program, you'll be astounded at the transformational power of resistance training and creating a stronger, more shaped you. The protein powerhouse, building blocks for muscle development. Protein is needed for creating and repairing muscle tissue. Amino acids mend tiny rips and muscle fibers damaged by exercise, leading to growth. Consume lean protein sources including chicken, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and Greek yogurt. These meals fuel muscle protein synthesis and help recovery. Prioritize protein-rich meals to help your body heal, repair, and become stronger. Understanding the function of macronutrients, carbs, proteins, and fats is vital for attaining your body composition objectives. Carbohydrates are your body's major source of energy, powering your exercises and supporting general physical functioning. Opt for complex carbs like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread. Fats serve a critical role in hormone synthesis, cell function, and nutritional absorption. Include healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Strive for a balanced macronutrient ratio that matches with your unique requirements and objectives. Water, frequently underestimated, has a key function in sustaining overall health and supporting your exercise objectives. From controlling body temperature and carrying nutrients to lubricating joints and cleaning away waste items, water is crucial for innumerable biological activities. Staying appropriately hydrated is vital, particularly during activity when you lose fluids via perspiration. Dehydration may lead to reduced performance and potentially impair muscle repair. Aim to drink water regularly throughout the day, particularly before, during, and after exercises. The quantity of water you require varies based on variables including activity level, climate, and individual demands. A common suggestion is to drink half of your body weight in ounces of water every day. For example, a 150-pound individual would aim for 75 ounces of water every day. Remember, heed to your body's thirst signals and don't hesitate to drink water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is a simple but effective method to support your overall health and maximize your exercise journey. While exercise and diet frequently take center stage, the significance of sleep and recuperation cannot be emphasized. Sleep is when your body heals muscular tissue, refills energy resources, and releases important hormones for development and recuperation. Strive for 7 to 9 hours of excellent sleep each night to provide your body adequate opportunity to repair and rebuild. Chronic sleep deprivation may lead to poor performance, increased risk of injury, and impair your body's capacity to develop muscle and burn fat properly. Incorporate relaxation strategies into your routine, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or moderate stretching to create a suitable sleep environment by eliminating light and noise disturbances and maintaining cool, comfortable room temperature. Remember, prioritizing sleep is not a sign of weakness. It's a smart investment in your fitness path. By emphasizing rest and recovery, you'll let your body to rebuild stronger, function at its best, and optimize the advantages of your hard work. Stress, an unavoidable part of life, may wreak havoc on your fitness ambitions if left unchecked. When you're persistently stressed, your body creates cortisol, a hormone that may increase fat accumulation, especially in the stomach area, and hamper muscle building. Engage in stress reduction activities that you love, such as yoga, meditation, spending time in nature, or listening to peaceful music. These exercises help reduce cortisol levels, producing a more balanced hormonal state beneficial to fat reduction and muscle building. Prioritize self-care and make time for things that offer you pleasure and relaxation. Meditation. Remember, controlling stress is not selfish. It's vital for your general well-being and may substantially affect your fitness success. By implementing stress management tactics into your routine, you'll create a more balanced internal environment that supports your body's natural capacity to burn fat, develop muscle, and reach your fitness objectives successfully. The process of altering your body composition is a marathon, not a sprint. It demands patience, devotion, and most all, consistency. There are no fast solutions or miraculous potions. Sustainable outcomes come from sustained work over time. Focus on creating healthy behaviors that you can keep long-term. Instead of abrupt dietary changes, make incremental alterations to your eating habits, adding more whole foods and reducing processed meals, sugary beverages, and harmful fats. Make exercise a non-negotiable component of your routine. Schedule it into your week like any other essential appointment. Find activities you like and look forward to, whether it's weightlifting, dancing, swimming, or hiking. Remember, consistency is the cornerstone of success. By making healthy choices a part of your everyday life, you'll gradually alter your body composition and develop a sustainable lifestyle that supports your fitness objectives for the long haul. As you commence on your fitness journey, it's vital to listen into your body's signals and alter your strategy appropriately. Pay attention to how your body reacts to varied exercises, diets, and rest times. Don't be scared to explore and discover what works best for you. Every individual is unique, and what gives best results for one person you may not be the same for another. Embrace the process of trial and error and don't be disheartened by failures. Celebrate minor triumphs along the road, whether it's lifting a bigger weight, running a quicker mile, or just feeling stronger and more energized. Acknowledge your progress and use it as incentive to keep pushing ahead. Remember, this journey is about more than simply physical change. It's about building a better awareness of your body and its potential by listening to your body's signs and altering your approach. Accordingly, you'll walk the route to success with more awareness and resilience. As you approach the end of your transforming journey, remember that genuine success resides not only in the destination, but also in enjoying the process. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how minor, and honor the devotion and work you've spent in yourself. Embrace the road with all its struggles and accomplishments, knowing that you're continually changing and becoming a stronger, healthier, and more confident version of yourself. The information and habits you've built along the road will benefit you much beyond your original fitness objectives. Remember, this is not a momentary cure, but a lifestyle transformation that allows you to live a better, more fulfilled life. Carry the lessons you've learned and the resilience you've gained into all aspects of your life. As you continue on this journey of self-discovery and development, embrace the power of balance, the value of constancy, and the transforming potential that exists within you. You've got this.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.